Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi friends. Today I would like to show you some of activities at my project, especially the wall finishing. It's by bricks. This was normal bricks before we cut it, and now we are installing as a decor on the main walls in the customer area. This is actually a shawarma restaurant, so also we have tiles and subway installation finishing work, and we have a dump waiter work is going on, and also freezer rooms, refrigeration rooms. So let's see. Today I will show you stepwise, and you can give me your comments if you have comments on it, or if you like, so please like. Let's see. I'm in basement now. This is the drainage pipes. All these the drainage pipes. What we did the coring in the slab, the roof slab, for each main drain point, and all piping are connected under the basement is visible and easy for the maintenance. All the pipes are connected to the main drain point and is going to street manhole. This is the clean point. You see, it should be every 6 meter or less. The bricks cutting process completed. Installation is going on. The bonding material using for the bricks installing between the wall and the bricks, and between the bricks to bricks we are using cement mixed material. You see, horizontal spacer, vertical spacer. This is too much strong and also looking very nice. Black porcelain is done already. This is the hood. We did the cladding also firefighting gypsum board. It is fire resistant gypsum board, is red color, because we have some sticker work on hood from the front side. So this is the cement board wall is completed. The gas box, the both side will be machined, and the hood is double hood used. At this side, same, above it we will apply the vitonate, and then we have to sticker to install from ceiling to the black porcelain. This is 60/60 aluminum tiles ceiling. The mezzanine is constructed by I-beam, you see, and for the ceiling support we are using the channel between I-beam's main and then the hanging rod. This is actually the gas piping and the electrical pipes. These activities is coming in this wall and distributed for the machines. The subway type work is done. This is the dishwash room and the mixer room. This is the dump water. It's industrial type. You see, the structure is normal I-beam and fabricated channel. This is the copper pipe for the refrigeration room. Now we are making the frame for the outdoor unit. Here's the gas piping coming from outdoor and going through the cable tray hanging in ceiling. So this gypsum board for cover the gas piping. Now we will install the same bricks subway tiles on it. The stair is coming for the mezzanine. Above the stair area, we also use it for the office. By I-beam, we make it a slab, and this will be offices. And metal stair steps also is going for the offices. So above the stair, we use it. The freezer room work, panel for the freezer room installing. Inside, the outdoor installing work is in the process. We apply 5 cm foam for the flooring. Now above it we will do the flooring concrete. The dump water finishing level. In the next video, inshallah, I will show you to the leveling point for the flooring. It will be by surveying, by level machine, all points, and inshallah, it's coming week we are going to do the flooring concrete. So inshallah, see the next video, and I will show you the process of the surveying leveling.